This is Dave
and Barbara
from Hiking with Dave and Barbara. You can catch up on www.hikingwithdaveandbarbara.co.uk or .com. YouTube channel Hiking with Dave and Barbara. We are excited today. We're going to do part of the Camino Portugués, the section from Porto up to Santiago, which we think is going to take us maybe 10 or 11 days. And this is the Cathedral in Porto. Do you want to add anything, Barbara, to where we're going, what we're doing?
Yeah, we've been in Porto for a couple of days. We flew in 2 days ago. We did the Taylor's Port tour that I would recommend. We did the free walking tour booked through Guru Travel, and we've been around the cathedral up to the tower, collected our credentials, but before we did that, we've also been to the military museum, which was, for anybody who's interested, was absolutely fabulous, with a lovely guide showing us, talking an awful lot about everything. So that was excellent. We've really enjoyed Porto, but we're now looking forward to, this is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. We're going to go and pick up our bags where we left them this morning, and we're going to head out down the river to the lighthouse. We're doing the Senda Litoral route towards
Villa de Condo.
Villa de Condo. I think this afternoon it's a bit hot, it's a bit late. We might do about 10 k's or 15 k's maybe. Not all the way to Villa de Condo today, but really looking forward to leaving town and walking up the river towards the lighthouse.
It should be fantastic. So the plan is to do the Senda Litoral for a day, day and a half, then probably rejoin the central Camino, which most of the other people are doing. Should we go?
Yeah, we've not booked any accommodation
No.
up on the edge because it's Camino. We've booked the final night in Santiago because we thought we need to. So it's about 170 miles, 250 kilometres. Should take us maybe 10 days, 11 days.
Yeah.
We'll see how we go.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, that's the end of our first day on the Camino Portugués from Porto to Santiago. We've done about 8 miles, so maybe 13-14 kilometres. It took us about 4 hours, and it was quite hot and actually quite hard. Anything this way, Barbara?
But lovely time. We left the cathedral and then we walked all the way down to all the way down the side of the River Douro for about 4 miles, and then there's a couple of lighthouses and a lovely old fort where the river actually joins the sea, and then you just walk up the coast. There's boardwalks, the Esplanade, another old fort to visit, and then we arrived here.
Yeah, Matosinhos, I think it's called, something like that. Anyway, it's the port of the city of Porto, if that makes sense.
It looks very new. Lots of new flats, big oil refineries behind us, and as you can see, it's got the cruise dock and something in well. But fabulous, beautiful beach, lovely Atlantic Ocean, and beautiful sunset.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll set off early. I think we're going a bit further. Hopefully we're going to go a bit further. Probably maybe 20 or 25k, maybe further, up to Villa do Conde. So shall we get on tomorrow?
Yep.
Let's go.
Okay.
Today, tomorrow, day 2. Bye.
Bye.